Thursday, April 30th, 2020, and today's lesson we're going to do some more measuring. On the matrix it says compare the length of things around your house, or do the comparing lengths activity on Seesaw. And or means you can do one or the other, but if you need some extra practice, you certainly can do both. So this is a good activity. We've done some exploring around the house in other lessons that we've worked on. Another great lesson to explore and look at the things that you have around your house and then measure those. It could be things from the kitchen, although no knives or sharp objects. It could be tools, it could be appliances, it could be maybe some food, cans of food or fruits and vegetables or things like that. It can be things from nature, maybe an earthworm versus a caterpillar or an ant. And remember, when we're going to do this measuring, we're not necessarily trying to find exactly how long it is, how many inches or centimeters, things like that. We're looking to compare the different objects by using the words long, longer, longest, or short, shorter, shortest. So that's how we're comparing the objects. So go out and do some exploring, find some things to measure. But if you're going to compare objects, first graders, here's something that you just have to kind of be aware of. I've got two pencils here. And if you just glance really quickly at it, you might say, well, the bottom one is longer because it goes past the other one. But I think when you look at the whole picture, you know that the bottom one is not longer than the top one. The bottom one is shorter than the top one. But because they're not starting in the same place, it can kind of give the appearance of which one may be longer or shorter. So when you measure objects, first grader, always make sure that you put the objects as close as you can to the same starting point. And now it's real easy to see which pencil is longer and which pencil is shorter. So make sure you always give kind of a common starting place when you're measuring the objects. So another thing that can be helpful is draw some pictures of what you're measuring. Maybe put a label to them and show. I mean, you don't have to do an exact copy of whatever you're measuring, but it does help, like me, to draw a picture, and then I can remember some of the things that I've worked on or measured, and I don't repeat something that I've already done. So drawing a picture can be a good way to help you with this one too. So start with a common starting place, drawing pictures to help you do today's activity of comparing the lengths of things around your house. So hope that gives you some ideas and some clues, first graders. Have a great day.